Red eye is caused by on-camera flash. And in Lightroom, in the Develop module, it's very easy to remove this demonic look. Let me zoom in so you can see better the red eye. And I'm going to come over here underneath the histogram. And as I move my cursor over this circle, you can see a red dot appears. That's the red eye removal tool in Lightroom's Develop module. I'm going to select it by clicking on it. And it's very easy to use this tool. I'm going to move my cursor over to the eyeball with the red eye. And if I like the size that you see there on the outer perimeter, all I have to do is click. But I can resize by just clicking right in the middle and dragging. And I want to make it a little bit larger than the pupil. And then once I release my cursor, you can see it automatically removes the red eye. It's that easy. Now I can adjust the size of the pupil. That looks a little large to me. So I'm going to come over here to the right side panels, and under the red eye correction slider, pupil size, I'm going to reduce the size of that pupil a little bit by moving the slider to the left. I can also lighten or darken the pupil down here with the darken slider. If I move it to the left, it's darkening it, and if I move it to the right, it lightens it. But I want to make it look natural, so I'll darken it just a little bit. Okay, so once you're done with one eye, you move over to the other eye, and this cursor over the eye does not have to be precise at all, but I'm going to place it right over the middle of the pupil and click, and there it goes. It removed the red in the eye, and I'm going to also decrease the size of that pupil. That's just a little too big. I want to make it about the same size as the other one, and I'll darken it. And that's it. It's that simple. If you don't like the effect, you just select the circle and hit the delete key, and you can start all over, or you can just hit reset and it'll remove all your work on the image. I just want to say one final thing in passing about red eye. Cameras nowadays are so much better at getting rid of red eye or not causing red eye by the placement of the flash. I'm having more and more trouble finding examples where my pictures have red eye. But it still happens, and when it does, don't worry, because in the Lightroom Develop module, using the red eye correction tools, it's really easy to get rid of that demonic look.